2, 3, funky.
Hi, welcome back. This is part 4 of the review, and we're going over another lab quiz, but this time it's on refraction and the angles and stuff like that. So, this is important. When there's an increase in the angle of incidence, your angle of refraction also increases. Direct relationship there, good to know. In your labs, sorry, I didn't mean to read that. The index of refraction of unknown number 2 is greater. Okay, I was gonna stop reading it because I thought it wouldn't make sense if you didn't do the lab, but it does. Okay, so your index of refraction is going to be greater because your angle of refraction is less. Kind of work through that. Angle of refraction is less, so your index of refraction is going to be greater. Cool. When light passes from air into another material, what effect does increasing the angle of incidence have upon the angle of refraction? Okay, so direct relationship. If you increase your angle of incidence, your angle of refraction will also increase along with it. The index of refraction is going to be greater because the angle of refraction is less. I think this is the opposite of what we talked about in number 2. What is the name of the vertical line that all of the angles are measured into the lab? It's your normal. It's the vertical line that goes straight down, like kind of like your y-axis on a regular graph table. What is the name of the first medium that light is traveling through in the simulation? That is your incident medium. So that's always the first one. Yes, incident medium. The angle of incidence is greater because the angle of refraction, I really don't want to read all that. So when the light travels from a less dense into a more dense, because your angle of refraction of the second medium is greater. This one always confused me, but you can read through that. And then this is the exact same thing, but reversed. So the other one was greater, this is less. And that is it. Oh, never mind. Okay, so here's the thing. It's very late, and over the videos I have really lost, like, I don't even know what it is, but I'm very tired, so I really do not want to solve any problems tonight. So what I did is put the equations up and hope you guys can, work through it and like figure out how to solve it. But like, here's the equations: N equals C over V for like refraction and Snell's law. And then this is the actual Snell laws with the sign and stuff. I really hope you guys know how to work it. If you happen to be looking for a sign, so like let's say you have the answer and then your equal on the other side of the equal sign is like sine x. What you would do is do the inverse of sine. So sine to the -1, that little inverse sign thing where you hit second sign and gives you that. Yes, and then you will plug in whatever is on the left side of the equation to get what sine would be. That's just something I want to throw out there. But yes, I hope you guys are able to solve. Let me zoom in for you. Yes, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new. And I will see you in, hopefully I make a part 5. At the rate I'm going, probably not, but we'll see. Goodbye for now.